In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email from Zendesk. This is a very useful feature, especially if you're managing multiple customer inquiries and need to keep everything organized within your Zendesk support system. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your Zendesk dashboard where you have all your tickets listed. Here, select the ticket for which you want to send an email. This is an important first step because it ensures that your email will be automatically associated with the correct ticket, making it easier to track and manage later on. Once you've selected your ticket, look towards the top of the page and click on the Add button. This is where you'll start drafting your new email within Zendesk. Clicking Add essentially initiates the process, allowing you to input all the necessary details for your email. Now that you've clicked Add, it's time to fill in the details of your email. You'll want to specify who the email is being sent to, the subject of your email, and of course, the message itself. It's important to be as clear and precise as possible with your email subject and message body so that it effectively communicates your intent to the recipient. This can significantly enhance the clarity of your customer interactions. After filling in the email details, the next step is adding the user to the conversation. By clicking on Add User, you're ensuring that the recipient is included properly, which is crucial for maintaining the continuity of communication. This step might sound simple, but it's very effective in making sure that each email corresponds correctly to the right individual or group. Following that, you will need to click on the Highlight option. This action draws attention to specific aspects of your message, perhaps a request for action or important information. Using highlights wisely can significantly improve the effectiveness of your email, so make sure to use this feature strategically. After you've used the Highlight function, click on Open. This opens the email template that you've customized so far, giving you a final look to ensure all the details are correct and that the email reads well. This is a great opportunity to do a quick review to catch any potential errors or omissions. Finally, once you're satisfied with everything, click on Submit as New. This action will send the email out while also logging it as a new ticket response in Zendesk. Submitting as new ensures that the email is treated as an official communication, meaning it will be tracked and recorded for any future referencing needs. And that's how you send an email using Zendesk. Following these steps will ensure you're efficiently managing your customer communications and keeping everything organized. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more Zendesk tips and tricks.